New year, new setup, keyboards, and brand reaching out to me. Okay, so here's the thing. If you are into mechanical keyboards, you've probably heard of the usual big names. But there's a new player in town, and they're doing things a little differently. Meet MechLands, a brand shaking things up with some seriously cool and customizable keyboards. Today, we've got two of their models to check out, the Vibe99, which has a ton of features packed into a sleek design, and the Blade 75, a super compact and stylish keyboard that's perfect for smaller desks. Let's see what makes these keyboards so special. In this video, I will only be reviewing the Vibe99, while the Blade 75 will be covered in the next video. And all reviews are based on my honest opinions, without brand interference. If you're interested in these keyboards, please check the link in the description box. Now let's get started. Alright, first up, we have the Vibe99. Thank you MechLands for sending me not just one but two keyboards. Like MechLands, I'm also new to the keyboard world. However, I'm really excited to try out these new keyboards and figure out which one is best for gaming and daily use. I especially love testing the sound of keyboards. I'm still searching for that creamy talky sound. I'm just obsessed with it, you know. If you are looking for a budget talky mechanical keyboard, we are in the same boat. This keyboard has 100 keys and includes the screen, giving you the full functionality of a full-sized keyboard in a more compact design. There are two color options, blue and black. The design has rounded corners, giving it a soft and feminine look. This is a lovely light blue shade that grabs attention right away. The keyboard offers 3 connectivity modes and features a handy button to easily switch between Windows and Mac modes. The battery is 4000 mAh, which is impressive and should last a long time. As a girl, I really like these curved details. However, I think this design might not appeal to some guys. But don't worry, I also have another aluminum keyboard that's more suited for men. So stay tuned for that. The keyboard is made entirely of ABS plastic, as mentioned on MechLands, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's solid and well built when you hold it. The keycaps are made from cherry profile double-shot PBT, a strong and durable material that resists fading and wear. These keycaps are designed to look stylish and give the keyboard a unique and attractive appearance. They don't just look good, they also improve how the keyboard feels and works, making it better overall. It comes with pre-looped cream mint switches. I've always loved soft pastel colors, and this one perfectly captures what I adore about them. It feels calm and gentle, like a clear summer sky or the soft petals of a flower. Its sweetness reminds me of the sugar scent of cotton candy, bringing back happy childhood memories. The color looks so smooth and soft that it gives off a dreamy and peaceful feeling. I really love this shade. It brings a cozy and cheerful touch to any space. Now let's take a look inside to see how many layers they used and what materials they chose. Just be careful when opening the keyboard to avoid breaking anything. The Vibe99 keyboard uses a special flex cut PC plate that makes it more flexible. This helps create a softer and more comfortable typing feel while also improving the sound of the keys. It also has carefully adjusted stabilizers that make sure its key press feels smooth, works evenly, and doesn't make much noise. This design makes the Vibe99 a great choice for people who want both good performance and comfort when typing. The Vibe99 offers an incredibly comfortable typing experience thanks to its gasket-mounted structure. This design provides a soft, cushioned feel as you type, made even better by 5 layers of internal padding. At the bottom, we have a silicone pad. The Vibe99 keyboard comes with a small screen, and honestly, it's a pretty cool feature. What's great is how easy it is to customize. Using the software, you can decide what you want to display, so it fits exactly how you use your setup. And honestly, it just adds that extra cool factor. When you see it light up, it's like your keyboard saying, "Yeah, I'm next level." It's not a must-have feature, but it's definitely fun to have.